You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Let's start with the good news. The panic in the cryptocurrency market has subsided. Please note that it has just subsided, which means it can still be. In the way of buyers of the largest cryptocurrency, there is a really strong barrier in the form of a resistance area of 64,500 to 67,000. Until the quotes return above this price range, the risk of another wave of sales will remain high. We are also seeing increased demand for Ethereum, but it all looks more like a rebound from strong support. After all, there have been no global changes. And now let's move on to the US stock market. If you invest in the S&P 500 index, then you are most likely satisfied with the situation, because it shows a really high return compared to the average over the past 10 and even more so 20 years. But everything is not so clear, because a significant part of the growth is due to only a few companies. About 30% thanks to Nvidia and almost 25% more thanks to 6 other tech giants. This is very important, because the growth of the index, which displays the value of the 500 most expensive companies in the United States, is more than 50% due to the results of only 7 companies. And more importantly, by almost a third due to the abnormally strong growth in the cost of Nvidia. Yes, this is exactly what the vulnerability of the world's largest economy looks like. After all, it becomes obvious that the US government is directly interested in the stable development of this sector. But now the focus should be directed not to the rapid growth of technology giants, which are growing, including through the rapid introduction of artificial intelligence tools, but to other sectors of the economy. After all, they are the weak link in a seemingly strong chain called the US economy. And in conclusion, let's talk about commodity assets. Gold, which also performs the function of a protective asset, is stuck in the sidewall. This is a good signal indicating the absence of panic and expectations of a negative scenario. But there are no sales either, signaling stable demand for a tool that allows you to hedge risks. Oil was also stuck in a narrow corridor after strong growth the day before. After all, a significant reason is needed for further recovery. But it's not here yet. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.